Good morning, students. Isn't it a lovely day today, right? Which season is going on right now? It's monsoon season, right? So every time when you wake up, it's cloudy and but a little humid also, isn't it so? Now, which day is today, class? Today is you can see on my board, it's your fourth day of which week? Yes, it is 23rd week, second last week before our final exams. Because what is your 24th week? Yes, your 24th week is all about reinforcement. I have already explained you that you need to study, you need to revise whatever we have done up till now and find out if you have any problem, any issue in understanding any topic or any task. So you can ask me in our reinforcement week. You understand? Because that week is only meant for you to revise whatever we have done, whatever we have covered in term 2, so that you people are very, very well prepared for your final exams. Because as you know, this is your second term and it is ending. And once the second term ends, you are going to have your final exams. And after final exams, what's going to happen? Yes, you'll be going in your new grades. You'll be going in grade 2, grade 3. Aren't you all very excited and happy to go in grade 3? Yes, and for that, you need to work hard. You need to study. You need to study whatever we have done up till now. So I hope you people are doing, I hope you are revising every day whatever we are doing in the class. Yes, and do make notes if you need if you need me to explain you something again. I am there to explain you that. I will explain you in the reinforcement. You understand? Great. Now let's move on to the topic. Now what is today's topic? Today's topic is ly words. Now suffix ly words. Now what happened, children? That we add ly to an adjective. And what are adjectives? Adjectives are describing words like slow, quiet, sad, happy, ugly, funny. So these are describing something, right? And what actually are describing words? Like I have explained you, it describes all the colors are describing words, all the shapes are describing words, all numbers are describing words. Yes, all the feelings are describing words, all emotions are describing words, all sizes are describing words, big, small, right? Tall, thin, fat, they are all describing words, right? So when we add an ly to an adjective, what happens then? Then we are going to form an adverb. It will be an adverb. We will form an adverb. Whenever we write down, whenever we add ly to an adjective, we will form an adverb. But not. But in some cases, what happens that it is used to form an adjective also, such as in ugly, it is ly. So ugly is an adjective. Manly again is an adjective. Do you understand? So we add ly to an adjective to form an adverb, but in some cases it is used to form an adjective also. And there are certain rules when we write y and when we form this ly to an adverb. Like suppose if the verb is happy, right? Verb is happy. So we are going to add ly to make it happily. HAPPILY. But here, what we have done? Here we have, instead of y, we have erased y and we have used I. instead of y. And then we have added ly. Now what happened that whenever there is a y at the end of an adverb, we add I instead of y, and then we write ly, like happily, like beautiful, not beautifully. In the same way, it becomes suppose happy, happily, and then what else is there? Okay, now this is one rule, that if there is a y, there are some words in which the y is there at the end, we have to change y to I. First we have to change y to I, then we will write down ly. This is first rule. Now the second rule is when the suffix is ended with double L, like full, F-U double L, full. We need not to change any alphabet. Okay, we will just add Y. L is already there, so we will only add Y. So it will become fully. You understand? Fully. Beautiful, beautifully. So again, beautifully we will put double ly. Okay, so when there is a double L at the end of any adjective, we need not to change any alphabet or add alphabet, we will just add y. But if it is a y, then we need to add what? We need to add an I before, and we have to remove y and add I instead of y, and then we will add ly. You understood? Okay. Now I have few words written on my sunflower. Now see here. Slow. Slow was one adjective. So we have made slow plus ly. It becomes slowly. What it becomes? Slowly. You got my point? In the same way, soft plus ly, it becomes softly. In the same way, kind plus ly, kindly. Quiet is another adjective, so quietly. Sad is another adjective, so we add ly, it becomes sadly. Okay. Sorry, this was quick. Quick plus ly, it becomes quickly. So these are all the adjectives that we have made them into what? Adverbs, right? Now let's make sentences with few of these words. Okay, are you all ready? Now I'll make them the sentences on my whiteboard so that it's clear to you all. Can you all see my board, children? Great. Okay. Now let's write down first is slowly. Please walk slowly in the park. Please walk slowly in the park. Next is softly. Need to speak you need to speak softly with your parents, right? With your parents or with your elders. Then it is please sit quietly in the class, right? Now, next is quickly. Okay. You all should do this class task quickly. All should do this class task quickly. Now we have used all these 4 words. Slowly, please walk slowly in the park. Softly, you need to speak softly with your parents. Then comes quietly, please sit quietly in the class. Quickly, you all should do this class task quickly. Now I have made these sentences of 4 words. Now I want you all to do your class task in which you are going to write down all these words first, make a list of ly words, and then you use any 4 of them in your sentences. Since it's writing task, so I'm going to give you 12 minutes for this task, and your time starts now. Time is up. Show me your work. Okay, you have made the list. All right. Now, can you read out your 1 or 2 sentences? Okay, you need to walk. You need to walk slowly on the road. All right. Okay. Any other sentence? Quietly. Please sit quietly here. Okay. Then again, slowly, sadly. My sister, this task sadly because she was feeling very sad. Okay, good job. Now I hope you must have understood the task that ly words. How do we write ly? Where do we write ly? We mostly write ly to the adjectives. We add them to an adjective to make them adverbs, and there are certain rules which I have already explained to you. I hope this must have been clear. We have already done this topic before also in the first term. It was the recapping, or you can say revision, because of the words that we have done just now. Now, everything that we need to cover in our syllabus is done. We have covered everything in our syllabus. And now, next week, as I have already explained you, we'll be having a reinforcement week in which we'll be doing reinforcement worksheets, and we will be also revising everything that we have done in this term. Okay, class? So please do study at home, do revise everything, and do find out any mistake or anything that you need more explanation. You can just note it down and ask me, and we are going to, I will explain you all that in the next week. Okay, children? So, all right. All the best. See you next time, class. Bye-bye.